Morning. It's our first morning in Darjeeling. I got some nice bakery items from the bakery, and now I'm gonna eat it up in the hotel. It's really pretty here with the flowers and this graffiti art. So yeah, let me go taste the bakery items. Wayne and me are walking towards Happy Tea Garden.
Happy Valley Garden.
Happy Valley Tea Garden.
Yeah.
So yeah, come along with us. It's a nice sunny day for once, and it's really easy to follow the road. Hiking down.
Look at that one.
We have a very pretty walk.
Alright, have a good day, brother.
Wayne was asking directions.
Yes. That's the factory there.
Yeah, that's
So
what
if
I'm
you want a
told.
tour of the factory, that'll be a paid one. Or if you want to buy, maybe you can buy it there also.
Okay. And in front of the tea factory where you can buy some teas. But the season only starts in April and we are here in the middle of March. So unfortunately, no production. So everything is closed. You can only buy green and black teas now.
Yeah, we were specifically looking for white tea and
Yeah.
flavored teas, the orange, the one with orange peels and peach teas and whatnot. But
Cinnamon, garlic,
yeah,
ginger.
they don't have the production for this season yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if you want to visit, come in Darjeeling, come to in April. It's 100 for entrance ticket, so you can.
That is
visit
if
the
you want a
factory.
tour of the factory. If you just want to shop, you don't need to pay the entrance fee. You can just shop from the counter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually now we are here, so we're just gonna like look around the tea gardens, walk around. Yeah, that's what we're going to do now.
Yes. Let's do it.
Oh, Wayne is in love with a doll. This is all. We're just randomly walking around, and we are now into the clothing store. Very pretty. Wayne has.
Headless one.
Oh, you just want to buy the doll, not the clothing. Thank you.
And I'm
Here.
doing the gist. This is the one.
This is the white tea, which we are still looking for, and it comes into this box. This like nice book. Can give it as a present, huh? It's so pretty. You should give it as a present.
But what I understood now from specialty tea, it's usually a mix of like first plus, second plus.
And this is your tea. And this is the
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is the tea.
Mm.
It's called cylinder.
Yeah.
It's all only roll and all.
That's all what you put in?
Yeah.
For these two, you put just that.
For that cup.
For one cup.
For this cup, the measurement is 2.5 grams or
2
1
spoons,
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
The measurement is 2.5 grams. And for brewing time is 3 to 5 minutes.
So how many how many cups you get out of this?
That means 2.5 grams means there is
80
150
cups?
after seeing this, anyone who's not even a tea drinker will become interested in
Hmm.
it. So cute.
Yeah, so we have the weigh scale. She weighed 2.5 grams for 180 milliliter. And then the time we need to run.
And white tea is very subtle, very delicate, and there's a creamy texture.
Okay.
And it has a natural sweetness also.
Yes.
It's right. And while doing the tea tasting, yes,
Oxygen,
yes,
right?
you
You
have
got
to
to
show.
make a noise.
While drinking,
Yes.
you can do first.
So the reason behind that is ma'am will explain.
Then
Puts in more
after
oxygen.
yes, as much as you can carry oxygen, your palate will know the proper flavor, taste.
Oh yeah, that tastes very fruity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that which you got to do right at the end? Right? That's nice. Huh? That's nice. Can we try that one?
Yes.
Now we try the silver beetle white tea again,
Yeah.
and it is just a bird only.
You're right. What did you end up buying?
100 grams of white tea, premium, and then flavored teas, also 100 grams.
Happy?
200. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Great service. Really appreciate it.
Here, and we were trying to get some street food. It walks all the way for a kilometer.
Yeah.
What do we want is the question.
So we can get a plate of this, and then we can get two of these.
How?
Just pure chicken.
Yes. Okay, let's
Okay.
do that.
Cool. एक प्लेट ये लगा देना.
That's 100.
This one, and you want this one as well?
Yeah.
दो कर देना है. That's good. ये कितने पीस आएंगे प्लेट में?
50 में 6 piece.
6 pieces.
Parcel. Lollipop.
You are we eating here?
We eating here, yeah.
नहीं यही खाएंगे जी.
We are going full meat tonight.
I think we should also get the balls.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some balls.
ये 2 पीस सर.
No, not too much, not too much.
मसाला
no.
मत डालना.
और अब बोल करना
Yeah!
Yes.
I take one with less masala.
Yeah.
That one.
Let me grab a bite first.
Good?
I've eaten the masala, so you can eat the rest of it. Yeah. Like it?
Chicken drim. I love chicken drim.
Yeah.
That's it for today's adventure. Don't miss our next vlog where we say goodbye to Darjeeling and make a stylish exit aboard the iconic toy train. You won't want to miss it. See you over there.